In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Montero key fob. All you'll need to get this done is one CR2032 battery. And if you don't have one of these or you'd like to pick one up online, go check out that first link that I've left in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few bucks. And the only other thing you'll need is a small Phillips head screwdriver. We need to remove this screw in the back, and this is the size that works for me. If you don't have something this small, I would recommend this little set of precision screwdrivers that this one came from. I've been using this for years. These are really good, and they're just a couple dollars on Amazon. So that link will be in the description as well if you're interested. And other than that, it is really simple. We are going to begin by just untwisting this screw. Just remove the screw, set it to the side for now, and then you can just pull this open with your fingers, or if it feels a little bit stuck, you can maybe twist your key ring to create some separation there. And if you have a key ring or keychain and it's falling off, it doesn't matter. We'll put it all back together at the end. Now we have access to the battery, and the easiest thing to do is just to gently tap it out. And if this little metal piece comes out, don't worry, that's normal. We're going to put that back together at the end. So here is our CR2032. So just dispose of your old battery, take your new one, and make sure that the positive side is going to be facing down when we put it in. So first, we have to put this little metal piece in there. So it's going to go like this. You can see there's this channel here. This is going to line up with that channel. What you want to do is kind of push it down into place, but you'll see it springs out. So we're just going to push it down and hold it there, and then grab our battery, positive side down, snap it into place. And now everything will sit in there nicely, won't fall out, and we can just start to put the whole thing back together. So if you have a key ring or a keychain, you want to just take it now and find this little post on the bottom corner, and then just hang that on the post, and then set the back piece with the battery in it right on top. Squeeze that back together. This is now secure, and we can just put the screw back in there to finish things up. There you go, tighten that up, and that's really all it takes. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments, because we'd love to hear your feedback. And you can also let me know that this was a good video for you just by giving the video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get all of that information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.